If you want to see all the posts you have liked since you created your account, maybe even years ago, and even access them with a single click, then welcome to Social Pro Tutorials, and let's get started. For this we will go to our Instagram application, and once there we will go to the profile. Once in the profile we will click on the 3 horizontal lines that appear in the upper right corner of the screen. And in doing so we will see this menu and click on your activity, the second option. And in this new menu we will look at the category of interactions and click on the first option called likes. When we are in this option will appear all the posts that we have liked even if it's been years. And at the top we can filter both by newest to oldest, oldest to newest, by dates as if it were a calendar, or even by authors. That said, all that remains is for you to reconnect with those moments that you liked so much in the past. If this video has served you, subscribe so you don't miss anything new and support this content with a big like. I hope you liked it and see you in the next one. A big hug. See you soon.